Hi students, in version prior to Civil 3D 2013, all regions were locked to the station. However, now there are two options for locking regions: geometry locking and station locking. By default, on new drawing files, this drop down will be set to geometry locking. If you open a drawing which we create in the previous version, then the drop down will be set to station locking, but you can change it to geometry locking if you desire. You can update this default in your existing template as needed by using these steps. First of all, on the setting tab of the tool space here, expand the corridor here and then expand commands branch. Okay, right click the create corridor commands here and then select edit command settings. On the edit command setting dialog box, just expand assembly insertion. If you can drag like something like this, then you have assembly insertion, just expand them and then change the lock region to value which you desire. Here we have lock region 2. Now it is selected as geometry locking. If you want to lock them as per station locking, then you can select and just apply and OK. Then your region will lock on station. Otherwise it's by default locking on geometry. So this is how it was, just short video to understand that how you can lock and unlock your regions in Civil 3D.